Having trouble getting your Samsung Galaxy Watch to sync with your phone? You're not alone. A significant number of users, roughly 15 to 20%, experience these issues. The syncing process relies on Bluetooth, Wi Fi, and the Galaxy Wearable app, and problems can arise from mismatched software, Bluetooth interference, low battery, or corrupted app data. Let's dive into fixing it. Before diving deep, try these quick fixes. First, ensure both your watch and phone are charged and within Bluetooth range. Restart both devices. Force close and reopen the Galaxy Wearable app. These simple steps resolve many common syncing hiccups. The first step in troubleshooting sync issues is checking your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Let's examine each connection method carefully. Start by verifying that Bluetooth is enabled on both your Galaxy Watch and your phone. On your phone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth to ensure it's turned on. Next, in your phone's Bluetooth settings, make sure your Galaxy Watch is listed as a paired device. If it shows as disconnected, tap to reconnect it. If you're using Wi-Fi for syncing, ensure both devices are connected to the same wireless network. Check the Wi-Fi settings on both your phone and watch to confirm they're on the same network name. Finally, if Bluetooth still isn't working, try refreshing the connection by disabling Bluetooth on both devices, waiting a few seconds, then re-enabling it. This often resolves temporary connectivity issues. Outdated software is a frequent culprit behind Galaxy Watch syncing problems. Keeping both your phone and watch updated ensures they work together properly. Outdated software on either device can prevent proper communication, leading to sync failures. First, check for updates on your phone. Open Settings, go to Software Update, and install any available Android updates. Next, use the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone to check for watch software updates. Install any available firmware updates. Keeping both devices current with the latest firmware, like One UI Watch 6.0, ensures compatibility and often includes improvements for Bluetooth stability and syncing reliability. The Galaxy Wearable app needs proper permissions to function correctly. In your phone's settings, find the app and grant it all necessary permissions, including location, contacts, and phone access. Also, ensure that the app is allowed to run in the background without battery optimization. This prevents the system from killing the app and disrupting syncing. If syncing issues continue, try resetting network settings on both your phone and Galaxy Watch. On Android, navigate to Settings, then General Management, Reset, and finally Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data connections, allowing for a fresh connection attempt. Additionally, enable nearby device scanning in your Android settings. This feature improves Bluetooth discovery and helps your phone find and connect to nearby devices like your Galaxy Watch more reliably. As a final measure, consider a factory reset of your Galaxy Watch. This will erase all data on the watch, so back up anything important first. In the watch's settings, look for the Reset option. After the reset, set up the watch again through the Galaxy Wearable app. Samsung is actively working to improve syncing reliability through ongoing development and updates. Look out for AI-assisted troubleshooting features in future updates. These intelligent features will predict and preempt sync issues based on your usage patterns, providing proactive solutions before problems occur. Also, advancements like ultra-wideband or UWB may offer more stable connections in the future. This technology provides precise, interference-free pairing between your watch and phone. By 2030, syncing issues are predicted to decrease significantly due to advancements in technology, making your Galaxy Watch experience even more reliable. Stay updated with Samsung's latest features to enjoy seamless syncing and get the most out of your Galaxy Watch.